In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV in ClickUp. ClickUp tips and tricks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in ClickUp and what to click to bring your spreadsheet data into your workspace quickly and cleanly. Keep your CSV handy on your computer and make sure it has clear column headers and no extra blank rows so the process goes smoothly. Start by opening your dashboard. Navigate to the dashboard you use for tracking goals and tutorials so you're in the right context for your work. Dashboards are great for keeping everything centralized, and beginning here helps you access the settings you need without digging through multiple pages. Next, open settings. You'll typically find this in the left sidebar or the workspace menu, depending on your layout. Settings is where all workspace level controls live, and that's exactly where imports are managed. Inside settings, look for imports and exports. This section is dedicated to moving data in and out of ClickUp, which makes it the right place for uploading a CSV file from your computer or exporting data for safekeeping. Choose the spreadsheet option. In ClickUp, the spreadsheet path is designed specifically for files like CSVs. Selecting it tells ClickUp you're about to provide a tabular file so it can prepare the import workflow accordingly. Now, select the location. This is where your imported items will live when they arrive in ClickUp. Choose the space, folder, or list that best matches the purpose of your CSV. Picking the right destination up front saves time later and helps teammates find the new tasks where they expect them. When you're satisfied with the location, continue. This confirms your destination and gets you ready to attach your file. If you're working with a shared workspace, a quick double check here can prevent mix-ups, especially if similar lists have similar names. Finally, upload the file. Click Upload File and select your CSV from your computer. Use a clean, well-structured CSV with descriptive headers such as task name, due date, assignee, and status if you have them. Keep date formats consistent, avoid special characters that might break parsing, and remove extra tabs or merged cells. A tidy CSV will help ClickUp interpret your columns correctly and minimize any cleanup afterward. Once the file is uploaded, ClickUp will guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts so your data lands where it should. That's it. Your CSV is on its way into ClickUp, ready to power your projects and keep everything organized.